Alright, so my head's up against a fish tank, as it's happened many times before in this project, but this time it's not an aquarium. It's a massage. People come and pay money to dip their tootsies in here, and these fish have adapted to eat the dry skin off of people's calluses. Yum! So, in case you haven't guessed already, this video is about adaptation. Do you remember the pitcher plant video? You should, because we're going to quiz you on it. But, if you don't, what it was talking about was a plant that is specifically adapted to nutrient-poor soil in Borneo. It's decided to eat bugs instead of trying to get its other nutrients from the dirt. And so this video is about how fascinated we are with Hawaii's extremely special adaptations. You see, Hawaii is isolated, and isolation breeds adaptation. Do we know that? I didn't until just recently. So, what happens? Why is that? Hawaii is in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. We've been teaching kids in Borneo this. And so only the best floaters like coconuts, or the best flyers like, I don't know, the nene before it stopped flying. We'll talk about that. And all these other things can just barely get there. And once they get there, they're like, woohoo, no predators, nothing's eating me, I'm going wild. I'm just going about and adapting as I please. And one of my favorite ones is the mintless mint. You know mint, like the chewing gum mint, like you put it in your food mint. How minty it is? Well, that mint is was an adaptation to make it to where predators and other things didn't eat it. It didn't want to be eaten, obviously. Those leaves are for food making. So it made mint so that animals would be like, ooh, that's minty fresh, I don't want to eat that. And then it came to Hawaii, probably in some bird's guts. That bird landed on a pioneer species tree and dropped the seeds, and it grew, and it said, oh my gosh, I'm not being eaten by anything. I don't need this mint anymore. So it actually let go of the mint. Hawaii has mintless mints. And it also has nettleless nettles and briarless briars, pardon me. And flightless birds, like the nene. They were like, they could fly, obviously, they got there, and then they're like, oh, nothing's eating me. Why am I going to bother flying? And so that's a little lesson about isolation and adaptation. Thanks, kids.